Hey guys, Legendary Challenges here, and we are playing some Nazi Zombies Black Ops. And no, this is not Black Ops 2, if you can tell this is Derice. If you didn't figure that out, please go to hell. We are playing with some, Max Ammo, Max Ammo, I see a Max Ammo. Just go after it, you don't even care if you go down. I do now, crap. Crawl to me, minion.
I am your minion.
Yes you are, now shut up.
I'm shooting randomly.
This is how you do it professionally. Oh, he has no more head. Oh well.
My turn.
My turn. Teddy bear. Told you. Oh, I had that. I had it. Hoorah! Watch out behind you!
I wish I could actually trap.
I told you behind you. I was trying to shoot him, but no, my sniper rifle didn't line up the shot perfectly.
Oh no. Why did you do that? Why do I always have to die in the first round? Where'd you go?
Crawl to me. I don't care. Just crawl. No! I bought quick revive. Crap. Ah, shut up.
You're gonna need that for me.
Boom. I hate nukes, but this was a big exception.
Give me that back!
Yeah, let's go get it.
Oh, oh, what?
Nah, screw it. Boxes. I think it's over here somewhere.
Is there a song on this map?
Heck yeah. Here, go hit the box. Oh,
That's
you're.
me.
I know. I'll try to.
11? Wait.
Whatever. Let's go. Let's get out of here.
I'll just get it next.
Alright, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. We don't jump down. Crap. Oh, you have no more balls. Or head.
Okay, you got that first door. I'll go.
Oh, thanks. Thanks for letting me do all the work.
Another person. How you doing up there?
Okay. I have a lot of points.
Ah, right, hold it. Oh.
I swear, if you go down insta-kill, I will, like, mock you for the rest of your day. Wait, can you leave? Wait, we need to leave one zombie. I need to go get my lunch. Or something.
Hey, there's a cricket. I've never seen it there.
God, you are mentally retarded. Alright, throw a grenade.
I've never seen it
Grenade!
there.
Crawlers! Wait. We have crawlers. Alright. Well, I get my pizza. I'm gonna camp right here. So, don't mess with the zombies, because they do not like to be messed with. Alright, I'll be right back. Right? Pizza!
I needed to buy the bomb.
Hi, I'm back. Or did you not just realize that? Hurry up, get down here.
I'm coming.
Throw hand grenades right behind you, just in case. I love throwing hand grenades. Wait, did you buy Jug yet?
You have to find out that.
Watch out behind us. Did you buy Jug yet? Yes or no answer.
Maybe.
What do you mean there's a maybe? You don't know, do you?
Kind of forgot. Okay, no, I didn't.
Yeah, I thought so. Hey, we'll help here. I'm out of ammo. I'm out of ammo.
Sure, now you're shooting crazy. No, I'm not.
Oh crap. This is not bad timing or anything.
You get your crazy.
Nope. No! Alright guys, we survived the round 11 even though the RPK sucks. He has like no ammo. Alright guys, thanks for watching.